what's on this beat? Yo.
I'm sure a lot of people are wondering what this Bruru is using to make beats on FL Studio, bro. Bro, bro, less is more. I don't, bro. You can see, man. The speakers are there. The speakers are there. Just these little speakers, they make me complete. You understand? So yes, you can have big monitors, you can have big everything, but you still don't know how to use it, and it sucks and it's boring to humanity. So me, I use this to make the bangs, the 808 to bang and hit harder. These are the speakers which I use, and like happy with the sound, because when I'm mixing and mastering, I get that bass, I get that treble, and it's a movie. You understand? Yeah. So I like this because small, simple, compatible. But over time, I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna grow, and evolve as a music producer because you gotta invest in yourself, bro. You gotta invest in yourself. There's no other way, man. The book is there to write myself some of the chords progression which I wanna work on. Yes, sir.
Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, man? Yo, gang. What's up, twin? What's up, twin? So, welcome back to another video. So, guys, today there's this trap beat which I was messing up with those FSG mobile. I'm the best FSG mobile producer. Yeah, they those who know me, they know, but I don't have to say it. But anyways, I got this trap beat, and I thought maybe you guys can f with, so you understand. But anyways, let's see how it sound, and look at this rosary, man, so crazy, bro. This is my god, bro. This is my god, bro. This is my god, bro. Yeah, man. You see, bro? Yeah. But yeah, man, let me show you this trap beat, man. Like I've been like messing up with the new updates FS Studio, and really impressed, man. I don't wanna lie, really impressed. Seems like I'm gonna like go crazy, go wild this season. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, you know me, bro. You know me, bro. I love posting like a geek, you know, because I'm into this, man. I'm into this. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Let me show you what I've got, man. Let's go.
The gunna's on this beat. Yo.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Nicholas B Maker. So, guys, I just wanted to talk today. I just wanted to talk, and yeah, man. You know, you can be very influential and still feel underrated, bro. Because like, yeah, now I come to a point where I realize I'm very, very influential. Like everything I do, they wanna do. Everything I say, they wanna say, bro. Like, like, like. Okay, I know, like, I'm humble and all that. You know, I don't put pride in this thing, man. I'm humble, man. I'm humble. That's why I've been lasting here, man. Taking a break, coming back, taking a break, coming back, consistent. But CMX beats just say like, um, ain't nobody like me, bro. Ain't nobody like me when it comes to the production side. You see, so many people they do it, but they don't do it right. You see. So me, I'm not impressed about how much you can tell me that you've been like good with your production. Mm. Me, I want to listen, bro. Play for me. Let me hear what you got. But a lot of them, yeah, they're doing it, but they don't do it right. Understand? So I just want to say, man, if you really want to make it in this industry, you gotta be real, bro. Gotta stay true, bro. Gotta stay true, because there are people, they are your day ones, bro, who still look up to you even to this day, bro. But if you change, bro, don't change for nothing, bro. Don't change for nothing, bro. Change for something, you understand? But anyways, man, mm, uh today is the 9 January, 7 past 7, and I just woke up and I felt real good, man. I feel real good, man. Gotta thank the Lord, bro. It's a blessing to be alive, bro. Be alive, bro. But it's also a curse if you are alive and you don't know the bigger purpose, bro. Yo. Get the drum kit, bro. If you want to make good trap beats, get the drum kit. You understand? Get the drum kits. The link is on my description. Every trap producer I know started by buying drum kits from other music producers. So what are you waiting for? Get the drum kits, make the trap beats. You know, here we make trap and hip hop. So everything is available on my description. You know what I'm saying, my broski. So to make good beat like this, let me play this beat for you, and then you will go and get the drum kit and make this type of beats for yourself. You understand? Shout out. In order to make a good beat, you need the right sound, the right drum kits. So I got
good drum kit for days, bro. The only thing you have to do is to click the link on my description, get the good